Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. We finally got another litter box for John and Pixar. I had to bribe them with some cheese and some catnip. John. And this is the Furbulous. This is the updated version. I hooked it to the app. I put the litter in it and I went through the settings and did exactly what it told me to do. And there you go. Everything has done perfect. So a couple years ago, this was the most exciting litter box on the market. We did a review on it. It was a good review, except they had some software glitches. Not everybody had the glitch, but I did. And this was a couple years ago. So I had to send it back and they sent me a new unit, and that one had software problems too. So this review is going to be like a 2-year update. This is their new improved version. If you look on Amazon, it's $399.99. What an amazing deal for a self-packing litter box. And it does have the updated software. And if you look at the reviews on Amazon, I will have this linked in the description there so you can go and purchase this. And if you look at the reviews, they're really good reviews now if you look at the latest. But I'm here to tell you that I'm going to do a review on this. I'm going to give this, I usually say a couple weeks, but I usually know within 3 or 4 days. And I will do a complete review, tell you if all the software has been fixed, does the self-bagging system work, and all that. Let me get to show you what was in the box. Look at this box on the unit. I know the cats both used this when I had it. It would self-pack their litter into a bag, and then it has a heat sealer, and it actually seals the bag shut. And after about, I would say 10 times using the box, the bag will self-seal, and it will put it down here behind this door. You pull this open, you grab the bag, and you throw it in the trash can. You never have to see their waste. With the old unit, that part worked every time. Just every now and then it would get stuck, or it would be in the middle of the cycle, or yeah. So I'm hoping this has all been fixed. I reached out to them and I asked them, I said, I would love to do another review on this and let all the customers know that everything has been fixed, and we will see. So what came in the box was it has 3 deodorant. They're like deodorant bars. It does come with 3. They're good for, I think they're good for a month. And then they go up inside that deodorant, that circle thing. This says Furbulous on it. And it does smell really, really good. Right now I don't have one in. This litter box is not gonna smell at all. If it's doing what it's supposed to do, there will be no smell in this litter box. Because up inside here, there's a seal, there's a rubber gasket around it. So any of the waste goes inside that black trash bag. And then after 4 or 5 days, it could be up to 7 times, that bag, there's a sensor in there to know when it's full, and that bag will seal. It does hold quite a bit of litter. There's the sensor right there, so if a cat comes up to it, this sensor knows. Actually, I think this sensor is more for if there's a cat. Well, yeah, it did. There it is. But when they actually get in the box, it measures their weight, and then it sets a 5-minute timer when they get out of the box. So it's weight sensitive. This first sees them go in, then it takes their weight reading, and then when they get out, it goes into its timer, and I've got it set for 5 minutes. So that urine or waste will be sitting there, it'll clump up, and it'll be cycled through there into this waste chamber inside here. I'm not gonna mess with it right now because I want to do exactly what the instructions told me to do, so there's no user error. Came with the plug, like a quick start guide, and the instruction book. Yeah, if this works like it should, it's probably one of the best, I would say the best litter box on the market for that price tag, for $399. The only reoccurring charge would be if you're going to buy the deodorant from them. They're not expensive, but I mean, you could probably go to the store and buy some kind of little deodorant bar and put it in there yourself if you want to, if you don't want to buy theirs. And then you'll have to buy the replacement bags. It's good for 10 waste cycles. That means when that bag fills up with waste and I take it out of there and throw it away, that's one. And then at the last 2 bags, it'll warn you on the app that you're gonna run out soon. Give me a few days. Obviously, when I do the video, it'll just seem like, oh, he just did the video. But I usually give it a week, and I will let you know any kind of errors that I've had, or has everything worked perfectly. And then I'll show you how clean the box is, and I might even do a video on how to clean it. So stay tuned to the channel, and I will update you on this. And if you would, please like and subscribe, and consider making a comment if you have this box. And does it work flawlessly for you? And this mat does say, designed by Furbulous. And you just take this out when this fills up with litter, and you just dump it. So when the cats jump out of here, it's just gonna grab all the litter. Are you going potty in the Furbulous? Is it a Furbulous box? Yeah, cover up that poop. Yeah. This box is cat approved. John and Pixar love it. There's something about the Furbulous that the cats love. I think they like, it's such a big opening for them to go in. They have plenty of room to move around. This is like the biggest cat in the world. And he has plenty of room to move around, don't you? Okay, you're done. Okay, you're done. You're doing a little better. What's that? Did he like do an error? Good. Now let's see if you covered it. Did you cover it? Maybe. Did you cover it for the first time? Yeah, guys, this is a great litter box. It's been a couple weeks and it's still super clean. I've changed out the bag twice. So, John, Pixar, and I completely recommend this litter box. Furbulous has a great litter box. It stays clean, and it's at a super, super great price. Highly recommend. Hey, everyone. And the Furbulous is doing perfect. There has been no errors at all. So I just got a notification that the waste box is full. So I am gonna do an actual self-clean. It would say it on the screen also, but when I went in here, I pressed the OK button and it cleared it. And I thought, okay, well maybe the cats can go a couple more times, but the app does say to do the litter box. So let's do this. This will be the first time I'm doing this. Clean, we don't want to clean, we want to auto pack. And you hit OK. And a couple years ago, this is where there were a few issues. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Kind of hear it doing some things. So what's happening is it's pinching the plastic bag, and then a little heater comes on and seals it, and then it releases the bag. And then a vacuum will come on after I open the door and pull out the waste. This is a game changer if this works correctly. Take out the trash. All right, there it is. No smell, no waste. It's sealed at the top, and it would be sealed at the bottom of the bag up in here. So we're gonna close this, and it's gonna automatically put a new bag in the box. And that is as simple as that. it's probably ready to go another 5 days with 2 cats. And look how clean this box is for 5 days. Let's go take out this trash. It can't be easier than this. And this, for the first time, is actually gonna go in my trash can. In the kitchen, which I would never do this with litter. So there you guys have it.